Is it the right time to buy or is it the right time to sell? Hi everyone, my name is Angie Haig with Cornerstone Home Lending. And if you haven't heard what's going on in the real estate market, let me bring you up to date. When the COVID hit last year, my first reaction was, oh no, we're headed into another housing market crash. But unlike the years 2008 and 2009, the complete opposite happened. The feds got really smart this time and jumped in and dropped the interest rates to historical lows. When this happened, it was a jump start in the real estate market. This was the first time in history we've ever seen rates get this low. So when this happened, it only made sense to buy now. With all the overflow of clients now hoping to take advantage of the low interest rates, it now shifted to a seller's market. So yes, if you're thinking about selling, this is a great time to sell your home. Why? Because we have a shortage of houses. You can get top dollar for your home without having to pay any of the buyer's closing costs. We are even seeing clients go above the asking price. When you get ready to write an offer, you may be competing with other clients that are wanting to take advantage of these low interest rates. So make sure you go in with your best offer every time. We're even seeing buyers go above asking. So, how can you set yourself above the rest? These are the things sellers will be looking for when they get multiple offers on their home. 1, is it a cash offer? 2, does the client need financing? If so, who's their lender? Make sure you have been pre-qualified with a local mortgage company that has a great reputation for closing on time, every time. Most sellers will steer away from any offers that the client is using an online or out-of-state mortgage company. So ask your realtor who they suggest that you use. 3, is your offer subject to you selling your home first? If you currently own a home that you need to sell, is there any way you can write an offer without it being contingent upon you selling it? You will set yourself in a much better position to have your offer accepted if you can write that contract without a contingency of selling yours first. In this market, more than likely, we're going to still be doing back-to-back closings, but how do we do this? These are things I'll discuss with you during your consultation to see all your options and how you can make an offer stand out above the crowd. At the end of the day, the more prepared you are, the more likely you will be in your new home before summer. So call my team at 405-241-5327 or apply online at angiehaig.com and let us help you stand above the crowd in this crazy seller's market.